Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How you doing, Ralfy? Ralphy's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. We're just doing another quick New Year's Day 2018 review, and this time we're going to look at the drop style RDA. Now, not unusually for me, those of you that know me will know that I looked at these and wasn't sure, and since getting them in, I've been fucking converted. I'm a huge fan. They're a great fucking, ever so popular, one of our best selling RDAs. Excuse me, and for good reason. Really easy to build on. Really good for squonking on. Really adjustable airflow. And they fucking do it. They really produce the goodies. They hold a shit ton of juice. You can really drip the fuck out of it. Or squonk it to death. And vape away to your heart's content. I'm a huge, huge fan. Let's get in close, nice and quick. Take you through what it comes with, show you the build deck, show you mine setup so you can see how I build the coils, talk about single coil, talk about squonk pin, yada yada yada. So, see you in a minute. So, what do you get? Well, you get another plastic tube box thing that everything seems to come in nowadays. I quite like it. Yeah, a little bag of spares with that all important bottom feed 510 pin, squonker plonker, little screwdriver and some O-rings for the top cap. And of course you get the main event. So let's just have him out the bag, bear with. I really like these, I've got to tell you. So they come with this super frosted 810 wide bore drip tip. All stainless. Bit of detailing on the bottom there. Drop by Digiflavor. Serial number, but take it with a pinch of salt. Or a part number, not sure. Maybe both. Hybrid friendly 510. Yeah. Gold plated. And you've got mega adjustable airflow that the camera's not going to pick up. But trust me, you have. And what I realise is little V, because it holds the top cap so the whole lot don't turn when you're trying to adjust it. Fucking great. Let's get in there and have a look at the deck. And the deck is super. It really is. It's a twin 2-post, so it's a 4-post deck. Yeah. You've got your 2 positive there connecting to the 510 pin. And you've got your 2 negative, which are bonded, made out of, I don't fucking know how they do it, but they're fixed to the deck like. Massive holes in them posts, and they go all the way through to these little V's, so if needs be you can trim the leads or leave them poking out a little bit. Yeah. And all you've got to do to build it up is fit a coil between these two, or one coil between these two if you run a single. Piece of piss to build on, they really are. Let's look at mine built up. Excuse me. So here's mine built up with some Clapton coils that are looking a little bit used, because they are, but you can see how easy they are. Look, one leg in one leg in the other, get them about central, leave a gap between the two and wick it down to the fucking deck. Boom, tighten them screws up and you're away. And by fuck do they do it. You've got a super adjustable airflow that stays put once it's in place because of this V, so you can really twizzle it and snizzle it, and you can pull it out to check on what's happening. You can't go wrong. Really can't go wrong. There's no position for single coil, but if you do the single coil diagonally across the 2 posts, then you want a bit of air on each side anyway, and you just dial it down to where you want it. It's fucking great. I'll put a low pro tip on mine, and it looks absolutely, the dog's bollocks, holds a fucking gallon of juice. You know, look how deep it is in there. And with the coils positioned like that, you can drip straight down the old drip tip and know that you're getting it straight on your coils. That the camera won't pick up properly. But fucking great. What a lovely bit of kit, you know. Dead simple. Couple of O-rings hold it all together. Don't leak. Stays where it's put because of that V. Don't come off too easily. It's just a great bit of kit. And wait up, I'm a huge fan. Single O-ring holding the airflow control in. And it stays put. It really does. Stays exactly where you want it to be. You can just dial it in to wherever you desire it. This takes the aftermarket 810. It's fucking tight. 810 drip tips. So you can put a low pro on, like I have, or use the Comp Life ones, or whatever you fancy, you know. And all of the colours, all of the top and decks interchange with the body. So you can buy two and run it all black. You can buy two and run all silver. You can chop and change and get it just how you want it. Massive air. Really adjustable. Great on a squonker. Great on a mech. Great on a regulated with the right setup. It's fucking bob on. I'm a huge, huge fan of the drop RDA. So there you have it. Let's go back up top, talk a little bit more, and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, there you go. Isn't they nice? You know what I mean? They're fucking lovely, aren't they? I'm a huge fan. They're really easy to adjust. What I like as well, that V bit that the camera won't pick up on, but you saw in the close-up, not only does that let you adjust the airflow, nice and easy, but it's great for grabbing hold of the whole thing and getting it off your mod. Rarely gets stuck because it don't spin, yeah? So you can give it Johnny Rock if you need to and get it off your mod. It's always a bonus. Wonderful, wonderful bits of kit. Certainly airy enough even for me. With my silly low builds and my shitty old lungs, it delivers. It's a winner, chicken fucking dinner. And the flavour, you know, you can really fine tune where you put your coils. You can have two in close together, wide apart, one in going across. You could run vertical if you want. There's plenty of space in there, you know. It's a fucking great bit of kit. I'm converted to the drop style RDA. Not particularly expensive, but worth every fucking penny. If I say so myself, they're great. So there you have it, folks. If you're on the market for something to treat yourself for this new year, check them out. I'll put a link in. And don't forget, folks, if you enjoy my reviews, consider joining our Facebook group. Yeah, Team Knucklehead. We do a daily live work days, Monday to Friday, 10 o'clock in the morning. We stop, we have a coffee break, we have a vape, we chill out. We have half an hour break. So we showcase new stuff that's coming in, we talk about things that we're waiting for. If we've had any deliveries, we'll show you new stuff before it even goes on the website, so you get a little bit of a sneaky peek there. Yeah, you might consider joining us. Again, I'll put a link in the description underneath the video there, so you can click on that and apply to join. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you all again soon. Hope you've enjoyed it, and remember, people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you choose? Big love, everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful new year. I'll see you all again really soon.